All right, you got LowKey here in the 50 diamond. The Aussie's going to go ahead and slide into their snake. They don't know he's there. He's going to crawl down to their side. And he's going to catch somebody. And that's going to be a towel. All right, Avalanche going to take the snake insert and the center 50. LowKey losing one off the Dorito side. LowKey filling that Dorito one. I don't know if they picked him up or not. Ref running in to go check one of the LowKey players in the snake insert, and he is clean. Avalanche pretty good in their spots. They're in Dorito 2, snake insert, snake temple, and the snake temple is now going to fill out to the snake corner. Back center is shooting snake way, and here comes LowKey out to the snake corner as well. Spreading the field a little bit, and here comes the Aussie all ahead, diving into the puddle. Going to get up into that 50 snake, that diamond. Oh gosh, and we're going to have a battle here real quick. Someone's going to bunker somebody. Figure out which one hears the gun shooting. But LowKey's going to get elimination off that Dorito side. Looks like LowKey's gun might be down in the snake. And he's going to get him. Oh, center 54. Avalanche is going to get taken out. Oh, almost got that Dorito corner. LowKey's losing another one. Man. That looks like Caleb Bogle coming off that Dorito side. A lot of chaos going on right now. I think it might have switched into from a 3-on-2 to a 2-on-1 now. I think it did. And actually, they may have already shot that snake corner. Yep, he did. There he is walking by. And Avalanche is going to go down. They're going to go tie this up. All right, LowKey up by 1. LowKey on your right. Avalanche on your left. LowKey losing one off the Dorito side, out of the Dorito corner, losing 2 players. And Avalanche losing their command center. Player for Avalanche over here in the 50 snake. And they're going to get elimination out of that home. Avalanche, LowKey's going to fill out to the snake corner. And they're going to get elimination out of that Dorito 2, leaving just this Dorito corner, or snake corner, for LowKey. Looks like that's going to be no point, maybe? Or maybe there's one body left alive for Avalanche? Not quite. All right, LowKey on our right, Avalanche on our left. Since that was no point, they're starting on the same side. Oh, 2 Avalanche bodies walking off. And there's going to be a towel there. All right, LowKey on our left, Avalanche on our right. Both teams taking the snake. Oh, and Avalanche is going to go ahead, crawl on around and get into the 50 snake, the 50 diamond. See if he gets a quick elimination. And LowKey's going to lose their snake player. Avalanche player going to work here. Oh. 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 Here goes Avalanche. There's a lot of chaos. Now it's at least a 2-on-1, maybe a 1-on-1. Oh, now it's a 1-on-1. Nope, 2-on-1. Sorry. A little bit of chaos there. All right, Warbirds on our left, Avalanche on the right. Warbirds going to lose 1 going up the center. Warbirds make it into the snake. Now they fill out of the back center into the snake temple. Another body coming off on the right hand side from Avalanche. Avalanche has a player there in the 50 diamond now. Warbirds have a player over here in S1. Warbirds player out of the Dorito corner is shooting towards Snake side, trying to keep his Snake player safe. Unfortunately, player for Warbirds over here in Snake is on an island. His goal is just to stay alive as much as possible unless that Snake gets too close and needs to go take him out. Warbirds going to lose a Dorito player, so leaving just the Snake 1 and the Dorito corner. And Warbirds are going to towel it. All right, Avalanche on our left. Warbirds on the right. Avalanche is going to lose their Snake on the break. But Avalanche takes the center 50. And Warbirds player gets eliminated too out of the Snake. So both teams lose their Snake runners. Warbirds are going to lose one out of the Dorito side. And out of the Snake Temple. Warbirds down to their last two bodies. Got a Dorito corner and the Snake Temple. Avalanche just filled the Snake. And here comes Warbirds trying to get out to the Snake corner. And I think he does make it. Let me check. And he did make it. I don't know that Avalanche knows that he filled the Snake corner. He's playing like there's still a Snake Temple. And he, yep, that's right. So it looks like a 2-on-2 with Avalanche in the Dorito side wing, and then also the back center, and Warbirds are in both the Snake corner and the Dorito corner. Good little point here that Avalanche has kind of brought back. Warbirds are just communicating now, trying to find out where the last two bodies are. They have an idea on one. I'm not sure if they know that that guy is in that Dorito side wing. Avalanche is going to lose their 50 brick player now off the Dorito side. Making this a 2-on-1 in favor of Avalanche right now. Oh, sorry, 1-on-1. The Dorito corner gets eliminated for Warbirds. So have center 50 for Warbirds and the snake corner for Avalanche. And the snake corner is going to get eliminated for on Avalanche, and Warbirds are going to go take this point and tie this up. Almost a 3.5 minute point there. All right, point approved. All righty, on the left we are going to have Warbirds, on the right Avalanche. Warbirds losing 2. Avalanche getting with it and crawling all the way to the 50 diamond. He just crawled through all that water. His gun might not be working. Avalanche losing 1 out of the center. Just under a minute left. Yeah, rain, go away. Supposed to stop around noon. Warbirds could really actually probably win this point. I don't know if it's a one-on-one. Definitely. It is. I'm pretty sure it is a one-on-one. I think he's just going to wait for the clock to time out so they can just play a one-on-one.
Game time finished. Game stop. Game on. 60 seconds.
Warbirds player getting up into 50 Dorito, and Avalanche has a player there in the Dorito corner. They're pretty much lined up with each other. Got 20 seconds. Someone to see if someone gets a shot.
time finished. Game stop. No points. Overtime. Game on. 60 seconds.
Oh, Avalanche player's going to get eliminated. Warbirds are going to take that one.
Game finished. One. Game on.
All right. Twisters make it to the snake on break. Twisters also take the center 50. Dustin Latchford going to get out, but he's going to get shot running out. And then looks like an Avalanche player is going to come walking off the field. Avalanche looks to be up on bodies right now.
Tower. Tower.
We're going to play this set, one more, and then we'll take...
Alrighty, we are back. No, thank you, Corey Callahan. You're an amazing person. All right, Avalanche going to go ahead and crawl on around that S2, get into that 50 snake. And I think I saw 2 bodies running off for Twisters. Avalanche losing 1 body as well. 2 bodies. Oh. Can't see Twister's going to take out that Avalanche player, but he's going to get taken out himself. A little trade out there. Avalanche has a player there in the Dorito corner and the Dorito 1. And I think for Twisters, there's definitely a Dorito corner. I'm going to look out the window real quick. So a Dorito corner and a snake corner for Twisters. And Avalanche has that Dorito 1. And does not seem to have that Dorito corner anymore. I think he just lost his battle down the wire. And Avalanche is going to towel it. All right, that's going to tie that game up, guys. Twisters on our left. Avalanche on the right. Both teams break out. Avalanche take the snakes on break. And did he make it? Did he make it? I think he got eliminated. I think Avalanche lost their snake player. Twisters held up, didn't go snake on the break. Here comes Twister's going to go ahead and get in the snake now. Twisters are up here in S2. He's going to start shooting across field. And there's going to be an elimination there. Avalanche is going to fill out to the snake corner. And Twisters are going to towel it. All right, Avalanche here on our left, guys. Twisters on our right. Looks like Twisters going to lose their Dorito corner player. And here they come filling in the snake. And Dustin Latchford fills out of the back center, fills into that snake side temple. Ref running in to check him real quick. Avalanche has a player here in the snake 2. And see if he gets an elimination across field. But he knows now that there's a guy here in snake 2 mirrored up with him. But Avalanche also has a player here in the snake corner. Don't go run him down. There we go. All right, just get up there, get the next spot. There we go. Avalanche player doing hand signals, Morse code to snake corner player, letting know what's up. And Twisters are going to lose their snake 2 player. Ref running in to go check the Avalanche player. He's clean. Player over there in the little baby Dorito for Twisters. And looks like Mr. Robert go ahead and slide out to that snake corner after Avalanche loses their snake corner. And he makes it, and he's alive. And he's rolling his gun. Another player coming off for KC Twisters off that Dorito side. Robert lost his gun battle. Avalanches, don't run to your deaths, dudes. Just work together. There's only one dude left. So there's a snake corner. It's a 2-on-1 now. Don't you dump that pot in your loader, you goofball. Ugh. There's just a little over a minute left. And Avalanche is going to get that elimination. Avalanche is going to go up by 2.
Game on. 60 seconds.
All right, Twister's losing a couple bodies. Avalanche going up into that laydown juice box, cut down that snake's a good move there. Pink Lake. Yeah, the Pink Lake is awesome. At least my bunkers get washed all day long. Here comes Dustin Latchford going up there to that center, command center can. And now he's going to go up there to that center 50. See if he can make something out and clear something out. Only got basically 10 seconds left. He's going to look to do something. And we're almost there. Game over.
Game stop. No points. Game finished. 1 minute.
I got a spoon out there in my bag.
Game on.
I'm gonna mute this for a second.
I think it needs them all. So I can
Yeah,
just
well, they're
do that.
both
Avalanche gonna have to try to score quick points to see if they're even gonna try to do it.
3-1.
They are sending the big guy up the center there. He's gonna go all the way. Is he gonna make it? Nope, he got shot on his way.
Oh, and they get a minor.
No, it doesn't look.
Oh, yeah, Avalanche.
There's only one dude, or the two guys on the sideline, or
Yeah.
on the Dorito over there.
Yeah.
One of them
Avalanche.
just died, so there's only one left. I think they shot this guy over here on the snake side. There it was.
Yep.
Well, Havoc's not going to make it to the other end to get a 4-0. Maybe there is. Nah, 7 seconds. He would have to be running to it already. He's going to try it. He ain't going to make it, though.
3.
Oh, maybe. What?
Oh, man.
He did not get it.
Game
Nope.
stop. No points. Game finished.
All right, next game.